नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपके साथ अजय चौहान और आप देख रहे हैं द न्यूज इंडिया। देश दुनिया की हर खबर देखते रहिए द न्यूज इंडिया पर।
Godwaland CEO political autonomy and internal political self-determination right under Article 24437 ROW 6th and 8th Schedule of the Constitution within the sovereignty of Karnataka. Within these lines of the 10 existing autonomous regional councils of North East India and Leh and Ladakh. Autonomous regulation as recommended by this constitution receives Commission of India.
Of the demonstration. Yes. So how do you see all these things? कैसे लगा?
We are asking for the geopolitical status of Kodava land, gun rights, ST status for Kodavas, and this is a sustained protest we are having since many years now.
In the year 1956, 1st November, our dear state forcibly amalgamated with the state of Karnataka, larger Karnataka. So we are observing it as a Black Day and Incursion Day, anti-incursion day. Nation capital. Particular area. Particular area. 56. Coorg was the well-administered state. It is on record, parliament record. Sardar Patel, the then Home Minister Sardar Patel made a statement in the parliament. Deshabandhu Gupta from Delhi and Bhargav from Ajmer, they raised a question before the Home Minister in the parliament session, which are all the happiest state in the country. That time, only Ram Rajya existing in South India. There is Coorg, the people of Coorg. Still, there is no constitution, but they are happy. There is no demand from that. They have already filed a writ petition before the Karnataka High Court for adjudication. Dr. Subramanian Swamy is fighting for us. He is petition number 1. Kodava National Council is petition number 2. But we are peacefully fighting. There is no political lobby for us. We are uprising central government. Innumerable times we conducted program. Even he is not a lawyer. But he is a law expert, but he is not a registered lawyer. He is a law expert. The benefit he gets from Kodava, nothing.
So what?
We are demanding for Kodava land geopolitical autonomy. We are not asking for a statehood. A restoration of statehood on the lines of geopolitical autonomy. We don't want state geopolitical autonomy. Recently, see, in one intervention, in 2023, 11th December, Supreme Court passed a landmark judgment for the abrogation of Article 370. 1,200 pages, 1,200 pages judgment. In that particular 231 page number 231, they made a beautiful observation about Coorg. Coorg was the only state which was able to administer on its own without the assistance from the center. It is clear. Autonomous region. See, on the backdrop of the recommendation of Constitution Review Commission of India, headed by Justice M.N. Venkatachalaya, comprising of stalwarts members like P.S. Sangma, former Attorney General Soli Sorabji, Parasharan, and Justice Jeevan Reddy, and R.S. Sarkaria, Dr. Sumitra Kulkarni, Dr. Subhas Kashyap. I met personally. Each one of them I met personally. They recommended for the creation of Coorg Autonomous Council under Article 371 of our Constitution.
So what time it will be take to solve?
No, it is a peaceful movement. It is a sustained struggle.
What's your full name?
Chappa Kodava. Yeah.
CNC.
Yes.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपके साथ अजय चौहान और आप देख रहे हैं द न्यूज इंडिया। देश प्रदेश की हर छोटी बड़ी खबर हमारे चैनल पर देखते रहिए। हम आपको दिखाते रहेंगे नई नई बड़ी बड़ी खबरें अपने द न्यूज इंडिया चैनल पर।